Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install a VPN on Samsung Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, turn on your Samsung Smart TV and make sure it is connected to the internet. Now, press the Home button on your remote and open the Apps section. In the search bar, type the name of the VPN you want to use, such as ExpressVPN or NordVPN. Select the app and tap Install. Once the installation completes, open the VPN app. Now, sign in using your VPN account details. If you do not have an account, you can create one using your phone or computer. After logging in, choose a server location from the list. Select a country based on your needs, such as faster speed or access to blocked content. Finally, tap the Connect button and wait a few seconds until the VPN connects successfully. So, that's basically how you can install a VPN on Samsung Smart TV. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.